Go down, down, down.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Let's use the guidance of the RCC which is left
That is the tent. That is the tent where we shall.
Go down, down, down.
We work together to overcome the challenges that we may face in raising the resources that we may have had for Mubende, and then we also work to see that the little we have is applied efficiently and effectively, as has been said by the Minister of Health and also the local leadership. This coordination meeting will ensure that we optimize our resources and respond with urgency and effectiveness as the situation demands. And some of the key issues we have to look at, Honorable Minister, is maintaining adequate coverage of our interventions and assure
careless. It means you should be very careful and save your own life first, and then that of your family, and then that of the sick people. So do not, please do not, and I know we have enough PPEs at all times, whether it is during an outbreak season or not an outbreak season. In any case, we always have outbreaks. Even when we are not talking about outbreaks, we have Crimean Congo, we have Rift Valley fever, we have measles. Measles is in how many districts now? All over. No, it can't be all over. If it was all over, you then, no. This one I have to speak with him a little later. Can't be all over. Yes, they are there. So we always have outbreaks. Money-making venture. It is about life and death. So let us not wait to prolong the outbreak because I am getting a small allowance. and then you don't do the work as quickly as is required. Let us not increase the burden by bringing unnecessary people. We have the people whom we know we are supposed to deploy. And once you are deployed, do the work and do it well. The story of Mubende and Kasanda, many of you remember clear. But it seems the population are not getting information loud and clear from us. We are not giving enough information. So I want you to re-energize yourselves, to fire yourselves up, to be self-motivated to ending this outbreak. Be self-motivated. Understand that if there is no money, I will still work. I will not wait for it to visit my family. And God forbid it visits your husband or your wife. For those of us who are here, God forbid. Let us put more effort in mortality surveillance, both in the hospitals and in the communities. I am very eager today to listen to information, reality. If you are going to wait for money to control an outbreak, we are lying to ourselves. The donors did not give us a time of entry and time of exit. Did they give it to you? Did they give you that we are going to start coming in 1960 something and we shall exit in 19 something something? They didn't give us. They are free to exit anytime. They don't owe us an apology. And if they have chosen to exit, you need to adjust your lives and be ready for even more tough times ahead. So don't sit and wait for the Ministry of Health to send money, for the district task force, for the city task force, for you the surveillance officers to move on the ground. Don't wait. I love what happened in Mbale. The Mbale people rose up and said, you have told us there is no money, we are going to wait, to work. Similarly, that should be the trend in every district. There is no money. But we are not going to die of Ebola because there is no money. God empowered us with knowledge, with eyes, with feet. Those days when there was no fuel and no